Right guys, I thought I'd just show you a selection of Jubilee clips, and I've got a bit of a array here. So I thought I'd just show you them. These are quite cheap, and they're not that durable, and they're quite, not that substantial and quite thin. Some of them are solid, like that. Other ones, obviously some of them are zinc plated and some of them are stainless steel. This one obviously has got the grooves in it, and basically you can see all the way through. That one there. Here's another thin one. This is the cheapest of the cheap ones that you can actually buy like a full set for like a couple of quid, and it just feels really cheap. And here is a galvanised one. This is a heavy duty one, however it rusts after a while, even with it being galvanised. And you know, these basically rust a lot, so they're not that good either. So if you're going to get Jubilee clips, make sure they're stainless steel and heavy duty and high quality, because you can reuse them, they'll last forever. But some of these cheap ones, like this one's rusted heavily, as you can see there. They're just not very suited for the task. And some of these cheap ones you can buy that are really thin, feel like tin. You know, they're not very strong. Highly recommend you avoid this type of Jubilee clips. Make sure it's stainless steel and they are heavy duty. I've got a few coming that should be delivered soon, and we'll be putting them on the pipework.